Heading out to a fishing trip. 8 o'clock right now. Heading to the American River. See you in a few. Alright, out here at the American River. I'm not really sure what this is, but I'm throwing a white streamer with little flecky stuff on it with a little cone head, and I've got one split shot on. I've got 2x leader with a 3x tippet. Hopefully I'm gonna get me some steelhead. We'll see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Swinging streamers. Get what I can get out here. Get out a bunch of line here. Oh, I'm just stepping on my line. There we go, round two. Here we go, we're gonna try some nymphing. I think I got some kind of stonefly thing on there, and I'm throwing an egg with one split shot. Well, about 2 hours fishing, streamer fishing, nymphing, no bites, no nothing out at the American River. NorCal Trout Assassin out. Winter's tough. Like and subscribe. Peace out.